Father, let me. Hi, welcome. Lisa. Yeah, Lisa. I know Lisa. Yeah. So how US?
It's good, but we're happy to be back here.
Yes. Lady like that, she teach in elementary. Yeah. So since that time, then we have a good time. So anytime, those people, even on Tuesday, I told him please he should call him for me, because in the evening like this, he will just. Kai. So and Mrs. Murray too. Mrs. Murray, Kai. The mama. Yeah. Is it there is one also that came? Is it? She man like 2006. Kai. You see it? See it?
Oh, that smell! Oh my gosh!
You see how it is?
It's like perfect.
Yeah. You see. So when we come to hill station, from hill station, when only the Miango people moved to Hillcrest. So Bob Mori and Weaver Bo. Weaver Bo.
You know where Weaver
is a president
of a college.
That's what they told me.
In Michigan called Calvin.
A lot of
one of the guys that went. Them Ochiko,
yeah.
Ata, JC, they all went to.
He worked with Peter Prehan. And then he brought him? Yeah, he brought him. So he was uncommon flavor. You know, he's in Lagos before.
Yes, I know.
So he's in Lagos before they give him principal of. Last year.
His wife is Nigerian?
No, she's like, is it Caribbean or?
Oh, that's right. Right.
Yeah, so like, I told her to, if we can be able to pass with kilishi or the suya, he like hot pepper because he live in Lagos. So the superintendent, Mrs. Lucas, tell me to make pepper for him. She's going to see him in Calvin.
What's that fruit? The eldest grandson of Ladi Lafe. Lafe?
Yeah.
Ladi?
Yeah, Ladi, yes.
Who has sold kose, fried plantain, etc. on the campus. Ladi's grandson.
Grandson, yeah, okay.
Grandson.
Yeah.
Going to
Calvin, yeah. Ladi, yes, her son. You know, he's helping the weaver used to help him.
Yes, now.
Yeah, so
she put 7 children through university.
Yeah.
And now the next generation has started as well.
Yeah.
Amazing. And Ladi is still here.
Yeah, she's still here. Hey, Mama. See, her daughter worked with them in Camiola. Hawa. Yeah. They work together. Garba, you get onion? Yes, I get onion. I get onion.
Garba. 20, almost 30 years of cooking suya.
Yes, yeah,
and the smoke is not too much for you.
She picks up stuff. I think her fingers get dirty. But I make it at home.
You make it at home.
I make it at home. I don't make it here. I get helpers. Even Mrs. Mrs. from SIL. You know Emily Gaddis?
Yeah, Emily Gaddis.
She's so.
Maybe eat it. Do you want to walk?
You know Mrs. Deadwala?
Yeah, Deadweiler.
Yeah, they are
still here.
Yeah, they are still here. Deadweiler, they are still. So he worked. Baba Saleh worked with as a gardener, but my father Uba, UBA. So from Camiola house.
You need more? How much? How many?
So is the smoke. So it's okay. It's
no
okay.
problem.
So see, thank you. Right, thank you, Gaba. No problem.
I've been telling my fiance about this suya.
Yeah.
They say, when are we going to get this suya?
No, brother. Badamwa. So we hope before you go now, we will see. When are you leaving? Finally. Fit for you.
Okay.
Yeah. Tim used to, you know the work that they gave Tim? Yeah. Kai, good to see you. We are happy as you are. Very good. So the Hawa, the lady daughter.